for this. Since we are referring to the companies, if you get catched with this proxy, మీరు కానీ పట్టుబడితే అసహ్యంగా ఉంటుంది. It will be like embarrass. Okay, so don't go with the proxies for this referred companies. Okay, 2 3 companies you will get a calls. I'll share, but please guys listen carefully. Please don't go with the proxies. Try to do one because they are catching. One guy is there interview, he'll take Praveen, his name, so he'll catch actually. Okay, so don't go for this. Got it all? Hmm? Be careful. So explain aggressively because he doesn't know the subject. Praveen doesn't know the subject. Interviewer doesn't know the subject. So please be prepared. Please be prepared, like how to explain the project. Hmm? Scenarios, bench setup, flow, workflow. Like first you will get the requirement, you will analyze it, and then you will write the test cases. After that, test execution on bench, how the bench setup is. Like we have Canova software, CanCase Excel. We have ECU is there, for example, SMPC, or cluster or infotainment system, anything. So we will set up the bench setup and then we will do the test execution. So while test execution, if you get any issue or defects, we will raise the defects in the RTC tool. So I have explained no RTC tool. So that is a process. So they will ask these questions, means explain your project like that. And comes to uh, 1 second. Huh? Okay. So diagnostics comes to diagnostics. What services you test? You tested. This is the question. Simple guys. Here there is no big deal with this. So diagnostics, like I have tested, see, same way you can explain. I have tested diagnostic session control 10 with sub functions, default session, programming session, extended session. So they may ask, what is the response of that? Then you have to tell 5001 P2 server max and P2 star server max. This we will get 5001, 5002 P2 star, P2 server and P2 star server max will get. So this is response. ECU reset 1101 hard reset we are using in project. 22 read data by identifier. Different DIDs we will test. So different DIDs are odometer, battery voltage, application software, boot software, serial number, like that. We have different DIDs are there. We will test it. Okay, 19 read it is information. We have sub functions 1901 with status mask. Then status mask bits you need to mug up, like 0 means test failed. I have already explained test failed. Those things you need to explain. Next, if they ask, so 1902 status byte, 1901 status byte, 1904 snapshot record. So we will we are in the project, this three is there, three sub functions in the read DTC, and I have tested 85 communication control DTC settings, 850102 enable disable the DTCs communication control. These services I have used. Ide project explanation. This is the project explanation of the diagnostics. They may ask some questions, security access, how you send, how will you get. So 2701 will send, we'll get the seed, 6701 seed. So then we will convert to key. So some algorithm is there, by using that we will convert. But I don't know, you can tell, I don't know algorithm. We have one file is there, it will convert. That you can tell. So 2702 key you will send, EC will be unlocked, EC will be unlocked. This is security access. Got it, guys? All the explanation of diagnostics, explanation of project. They'll ask another question like testing techniques. So I already told state transition, boundary value analysis, equivalent partition. These techniques we will follow. So questions next. what tool in the Canoi, what windows are there, like trace window, write window, data window, graphical window, those things. Next, mm, okay, capl. So comes to capl, they'll ask what events we have. Okay, so tell me what events we have.
Sir, on
Uh,
on messages.
hmm, on key, on message, fast గా చెప్పాలా. On key, on message, on start, on pre-start, on system variable, on environment variable, on system variable update, on message, on timer, so events. So these are the windows. A trace window, I'll show now. So trace window, write window, graphical window, simulation window. This is simulation window. Then analysis window, measurement setup, statistics window, trace window, data window, graphics window. Like that, we have different windows. IG block window, database window. Window and TM లేదు. This is one window. This is another one. This is like that. Panel window. Like that, we have different windows in the Canoi. So these questions they'll ask. What is different between the Canoi Canalizer? Remember carefully. Canoi software can support software Canoi software can support more nodes, but in the canalizer only one node is supported. It will support only one node. Got it? All got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these questions ఇంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ బారు ఇవే ఉంటాయి తిప్పి తిప్పి. ఓకే, బెన్ సెటప్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. బెన్ సెటప్లో ఏమి ఉంటాయి? క్యానోయి సాఫ్ట్వేర్, క్యాన్ కేస్ ఎక్సెల్, cluster, power supply. Got it all? So this is how you have to explain. Guys, first batch of people I have shared. First batch people కొద్దిమంది నేను షేర్ చేశాను. This is a list actually I have shared to the client. See, so I'll share, I'll show whether it is really or not. See here. Um, so see, hi Sweta, please find the list of candidates. I said, okay. Um, then she said, thank you, Suri, so much for calling, sharing the list assessment. So we'll keep posted updates. This is what. See, actually, she is a CEO, Chief Executive Officer. She's contact with me. So we have the rapport. We will share the profiles, but you have to prepare well and attend. Then you'll get a for sure you'll get the jobs. Okay. Okay, guys. Right now we'll see the capl remaining things. So మీరు రాసారా? Did you write the things? Did you write the capl script? Guys, for the diagnostics, did you write or did you create the panels? చేశారా? All Anil, చేసావా?
Yes, sir. We wrote in the book, sir, because in Canla's Can I 15, sir, there is no IG block, sir.
Okay. See, okay, leave IG block. I have asked you to create panels. Why you have created in the book? Why not in the Cano software?
Sir, in software there is no IG block, sir. In the,
Array, what I am saying is I ask you to create a panels like this. Okay, for the diagnostics, for switch, and no need the IG block. I ask you to create the nodes here like BCM and IPC. You have to write the capl scripts. That's what I said.
yes, sir.
Leave IG block. IG block is another concept. So I ask you to create these nodes. Did you create it all? Panel? Did you create panel? Anil chesara leda? See,
Sir,
I have, yeah, I have created one diagnostic service called sessions control. Okay, so I have created in the panel. If I select here, so I have written a capl script here. Okay, for that, in the same way, you need to write for 22 service ID, you need to write for 11, you need to write for 19. That's what I said. In the same way, in the same way for the diagnostics, and this one also, like you have to create one BCM, and by using system variables, panels creation, and send signal values. That's what I said. Did you create or not? All. Sanjay Rathod, actually, there is no IG block. Fine, very good. But there is some nodes, nine. You can create node, no?
Yes, sir. We can create, sir.
Why can't you create that then?
Sir, I thought IG block will be there, then it will be no issue. We already
Yeah,
understand.
so this is the problem. In the interview, they'll ask the questions on capl. So if you tell IG block, they are okay with that IG block, but they want capl. What will you do then? See, we should not try to escape. Okay, we should do
Yes.
something at least.
Okay, sir.
So every time excuses are not fine, I think so, guys. Hmm. Okay, Sanjay is fine. Others, what about others? Anil, Guru, Ganesh. Ganesh, did you write?
Sir, no, sir. Yesterday I'm not in class, sir, because I went outside.
Yesterday, I was not. I think. Did I
Day
take the
before
class
yesterday.
yesterday? Hmm?
No, sir. Day before yesterday, I went
Okay,
outside.
so listen video, no? Then.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Other, Rahul,
Sir,
Rahul.
sir, same thing what Sanjay sir told, same thing I have done that.
What Sanjay sir said. See, listen carefully. This is a very big this thing here. Problem. How can you get the subject here with this? How will you explain in the interview then? Hmm? First, you need to create a database, some messages, because these messages we are sending through capl script. Please create the messages like once take one message and one signal, or two messages, two signals, and one diagnostic request, one message. Okay, then so if you press BCM should send some signals. This seatbelt related. If you select this, ignition related signals come to the network. Then diagnostics. So if you select here, diagnostics related data should send from here. So that is why to send diagnostics data, we will write the capl script in that like this. So first you need to declare the variables. So this is the way to declare the variable. This is one way. You can declare another way also, like same message. So message identifier, for example, it is 7E1 is the message ID. So name you can give same variable, no problem. Okay, RUQ1. Okay, so this is message. This is one way to declare. This is another way to declare, guys. And variables you can write REQ2, REQ3, n number of 100 you can write, no problem. This variable you can use for diagnostic sessions. Okay, because in the same message we will send 22 also. So you can put REQ1. REQ1 is diagnostics session control purpose, and we'll take REQ2 is 22 like that. You should write now, guys. This is At least the minimum efforts you should put it here. I don't know why you guys are always depending. So again, I'll show another one. This is actually diagnostic session control. Now I will create another one, guys. Listen carefully. I don't excuse tomorrow. I don't forward your profiles also if you are like this. Okay. So you have to do something, because if you do here, you will explain in the interview very well. That's what my intention. How to send signals, how to send diagnostics data. If they ask one question like send one message or signal for every 10 milliseconds, means every 10 milliseconds you need to send. How you send that, like that. So they'll ask in the interview. So like 4 to 5 questions are there. I'll give and I'll tell and I'll wind up. See, listen. So first, see, this is session control. No, I'll create read did. Okay. For that, system variable. Okay. So diagnostic session control is there. No, like that. Right click, new DIDs. Simple. So you can give 0 is initial. Maximum if you have 10 DIDs, you can give 10 DIDs. Value tables, custom. So 0 means nothing. Just give this one. Nothing. 1 means some DID. What DID? Odometer related DID. 2 means serial number. Serial number DID. Third is some application software version. Like that we will create. DID created. Next go here. Right click. Edit. So session control. Control C, Control V. So instead of diagnostic session control, we'll give another system variable. What is the system variable? DIDs. So it has changed, no? Change in the leather. We'll give DIDs. So see here, nothing, node or serial application software like that. So now, if you select odometer related DID should transmit. For that, same way, on system variable, DID related system variable here. What is the DID? Got it? So if it is equal to 1 means if you select this one, Odo, that is one value, if you select, then 22 DID, for example, 01, 01 is the DID. Otherwise, companies has generally F1, 01. This is one DID. If you select one, odometer related data will go, odometer related DID will go. If you select 2, okay, F2, 01. If you select 3, here guys, not 10, it is 22. It's 22. F1, otherwise F301. Got it. So that's it. We'll see now. run. So listen carefully. If I select 1 here, we'll send 1001. If I select 1 here, we will send C 22 F101. If we select F1, sorry, 0101, 0101. So you have to change it.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, DLC byte change it, sir. 3.
3. Correct. That we need to change. Good. Good observation. Yes. After 0. Right.
Request byte should be 3, sir. For
Hmm?
request bytes
Hmm.
should be 3, sir. We have taken 3, na, sir, in PLC.
One second, guys. అతనికి తెలిసినట్లేదు బ్లూ కార్డు బ్లూ కార్డే అంటారు బ్లూ కార్డ్ ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు అందరికి బ్లూ కార్డ్ అవసరం లేదు కదా కార్డు మీద అవసరం అది నేను ప్రాసెస్ అంతమ్మా అదే సో అసలు వీసా దేని మీద వెళ్ళొచ్చు అనేది నేను మాట్లాడు అదే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను అది బ్లూ కార్డు బేసిక్గా ఆఫర్ ఉంటేనే ఇస్తారు అర్థమైందా అదే నేను అనేది ఆఫర్ ఉంటే ఇస్తారు ఫుల్ టైం ఆఫర్ ఉంటే ఇస్తారు సరిపోతుంది అంటే అది అప్లై చేస్తే 3 నెలలు పడుతుంది ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే అసలు బ్లూ కార్డ్ అక్కర్లేకుండా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు నేను తనతో మాట్లాడతాను తనతో హలో 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 అది బేసిక్గా బ్లూ కార్డు నెససరీ కాదు తనకు తెలియట్లేదు అది బ్లూ కార్డు నెససరీ కాదు తనకు తెలియదు చెప్పా నేను మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఉన్నారు దాన్ని కనుక్కొని నీకు చెప్తానని చెప్పి మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ వ్యాలిడ్ వీసా అంటే తనకి ఫుల్ టైం వీసా లాగా వర్క్ వీసా ఉండాలి ఓకే అట్లా సో అది మనోడు ఏఎంఎం ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తాడు అది విషయం కానీ తనకి పూర్తిగా తెలియదు వివరం తెలియదు నేను మాట్లాడుతాను ఓకే షూర్ అదే సరే అట్లా అదే అంతే గాట్ ఇట్ ఆహా ఆహా అది అందుకేం తెలియదు, నేను మాట్లాడతా. తెలియదు ఇంకా తెలియదు, నేను మాట్లాడతా. ఎస్ నేను చూస్తాను. సరే కాల్ చేస్తా. Sorry guys, yeah. So if you select or Sanjay Rathod, yeah, any doubt? So if
Yeah,
you
assign
send
DLC 3, sir.
DLC 3 only, correct?
Request bed should be 1, 2, 3, sir. There is a 2, sir.
Huh?
In capl script, sir.
What?
Request bed is data length is 3, sir, total. Request bed should be 1, 2, 3, sir. There is a 1, 2, 2 is this. In second one, sir. Else if.
Okay, good. Inte, this is how we will send the diagnostic request. ఇదే మీ task. This is your task. You have to send it and you need to observe the behavior of the ECU. Got it, Anil?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
So you need to write the capl script for 19 also. So you have to create one read DTC related different things, guys. 1101 also, 11 for 11 is your reset, like that you have to create. Got it or not? You have to create for all. So in a single panel you can create diagnostic related things, and you have to create this kind of capl script for the diagnostics sending request. Got it? This is how, this is what I asked. Even if you send this one, if you select this one should transmit in the signal. See, um, select. See, this is one. See, seat belt signal is one. If you send 0, 0. So this is one task. This is another task, I said. That's what that is what I ask you to create. Got it all?
So,
Hello? Okay. We'll see another scenario. Another scenario is, for example, if they ask you to send message periodically means continuously for every pakka question. This is, for example, one signal, seatbelt signal or message. If you send message, signal is there, no? So I'll comment this one because if how to comment. So this is a way to comment. Right. So if I start or if I press any key, anything, guys, you want to send a message for every 100 milliseconds or second. This is I have already explained, but still I am going to explain. I've already explained. See, if I press B or A, anything, instead of this key also you can give on start anything, guys. So timer will set. So if the timer is working, then the event will work. See guys, listen. నేను కీని ప్రెస్ చేస్తే టైమరు సెట్ అవుతుంది. అది ఆ ఫంక్షన్ అక్కడ రాశాను. ఐ హావ్ రిటర్న్ దట్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ వర్క్స్, the event will process. What event? T2 timer event. So in this timer event, we are doing one function. What is the function? What we are doing? Procedure. We are sending signal with the value 1 in the message we are sending into the network. Then again we will reset the timer T2. See here, timer T2 again reset. If you reset, so again this event 1 will set and it will send into the network. Check carefully. If I press B, see nothing is transmitting, no? I'll press B. See, signal with the value 1, every 1 second it is transmitting. If you want to transmit same message or another message, for example, I'll send another message B2 for milliseconds. See, I am sending now seconds. For seconds, you need to write timer. Milliseconds, it is EMS timer. Okay. So now I will send B2, guys. So if I press on key C, I'll take C. Key C. If I press this one, okay, I will set a timer T1. For how much time? This is milliseconds, guys, 100 milliseconds. In the interview, they may ask 100 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds or 50 milliseconds, anything. There is no problem. So 500 milliseconds, it means half second. Okay, otherwise 100 milliseconds. So I'm setting the timer T1, that is milliseconds. So it will come here. It will set with the 0. If you want to send 1, you can send, no problem. 0, it will send into the network, and again it will reset the timer for 100 milliseconds. Otherwise, first it is 100 milliseconds, later it is 50 milliseconds. Every 50 milliseconds it will transmit. First time is only 100, later it is 50. Otherwise, you want always 100? Yes, it is 100. Okay. So again it will reset and it will send the messages and signals. Now we will see. If I press a C, guys, with the 0, see, 0 is transmitting every 100 milliseconds. If you want to see in a better way, go here, measurement setup. You have graphics window is there. You can see the graphics window. In this, you can see the signal. See here, 0 is transmitting here. Okay. If you send 1, 1 will means here. I'll show that again. Now I will run A. Sorry, B. So then we will send 1. Check graphics window. So line is there. Check graphics window. Line is here. Got it, guys? So that is continuously it is transmitting every 1 second 1 with the value 1. Got it? This is using capl. By using capl, set timer function, on timer we are sending the one message or another message periodically with the values. Got it all? Otherwise, I'll tell another function. See, these are using the timers, guys. Okay. So on timer, I'll take another one. Timer T3. Okay. On timer T3. I see in the interview question they ask, for example, they ask you want to send 1010 every second. So for seconds timer, we need to write like timer T3. Okay. So if I press on key D, you can give on start also. Anything is fine, guys. On key D. If I press D, timer will set, guys. What timer he will set? So here I need two timers. T3, T4. Okay. So on timer T3. Now, if the timer is T3, 1 will transmit. On timer T3, how much time, guys? Will take 3 seconds better to see this. 3 seconds of T4, timer T4, because we are sending value 1 here. Okay, in the timer T4, 3 seconds. This is value 0. We'll see now. D no. D kada, D ని ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వాల్యూ 1010 వెళ్ళాలి. See, if you see graphics window, see, observe. Even you can pause also, see. 1010 like this. It will transmit, guys. For every 3 seconds, it is changing. Got it? All.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is by using timer. We will send messages periodically. Got it? We will send diagnostics data by using capl. We will send signals with the values uh, periodically. Okay. Now I will write for loop now. For loop. For example, if you press E, you want to send ignition signal is there, values with you can take ignition signal. So for that, for we will initialize, guys. So here we need integer. So int I, we are using integers. See, Miku, avasaramaina chota. If you required, you can declare there integer, float, anything, guys. So now we required I equal to 0. It will start with the 0 value. I greater than or equal to 5. I plus plus incrementing the I. We are incrementing the I values. 0 to 5 values we will send. So this value we will put it into the message B1 other B2. B2 is the message. In that message we have ignition signal is there. So we will assign I value and we will send into the network. We'll see that. If I press E, guys, so no need to select from the panel, the values automatically it will go, guys. I'll check. I'll show that. See, if I press E, no E, see here 5, we got 5 values. Check carefully. This is 0 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values has been transmitted into the network. See here, message ID 2 is transmitting. If you want to see the signal value also, you can see in the right window. So these are the values transmitted in the message. Check. Ignition signal is 0. Ignition signal is 1, 4, 5, 3, like that. You can send 100. We'll try for the 100. By using a for loop in the signal, we can transmit 100 or 200, anything, guys. So these are the values. See, from 0, 0 to we have transmitted. See, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 value. In the signal, we are transmitting till 100. See, again 4 it is transmitted, 0. So continuously I see it's 28, 29, like that. We are sending some data. 15, 12, 13, 14, like this, guys. Got it all? అర్థమైందా అందరికి? 16 value, 17, 18, like that. You will transmit 100 also, even 200 also. All got it? 31. This is
Sir,
32 bits. So yeah, tell me. Got it?
sir, I'm sure.
Yeah. Any question? By using a for loop, we can transmit the values in the signal. For example, odometer value is there. 1 lakh values you need to check. You can send 0 to 1 lakh. You can send. Got it all? How to do that? So in the interview, they'll ask the questions. I have class, guys. Another class. So they will ask the questions. What events? 10 minutes. Okay. So what events did you use? What events we have? What functions we have? Like set timer, cancel timer, elapse timer, output. These are the functions. Events: on timer, on start, on key, on system variable update, on environment variable. These are the events, guys. Got it all? So they'll ask these questions in the interview. Please be prepared for the interviews. Okay. Hardly 30 minutes. 30 minutes interview will be there. Please be prepared. Very easy, actually. Explanation of the project, explanations of the diagnostics, explanation of defects, how to rise. Okay. Then capl script, whatever I have shown, how to send these things. If they ask, generally they'll ask send a periodic message like that, send diagnostics data like that. You can write that. Got it? You can directly write like this. Mm, on system variable. Hmm? Like on system variable name diagnostics. So diagnostic session control. This is 10. You can write DID 22. You can write like this. Okay, all. So fine. So almost it is done. Only one class is there tomorrow. I'll check what is the possible test, what is the possible questions in the capl and other things. Well, explain and we'll wind up tomorrow class. Got it all? So please be prepared. Second phase of your profiles, like new people, Mahesh, Sanjay, I'll share your profiles to the class IT and some other people, ZF or Signed or somewhere. Please be prepared. I'll forward. First, if I forward, don't expect this proxy. If you apply in the Naukari, you can expect a proxy and do it, no problem. But don't do for this references also. If you do proxy for that, then I'll get a bad name. Like, if they catch, then I'll get a bad name. So please do your own, okay? Please be prepared and do it your own, okay?
Okay.
Anil, sir, Sriharin phone చేయమనమ్మా.
సార్
శ్రీహరిని ఫోన్ చేయమను.
ఓకే సార్ చెప్తాను సార్.
ఓకే సరే. Okay guys, bye. All. Write the capl scripts. Write the capl scripts, okay? Bye guys.